Well, the cover fire for Pakistan from the Congress has sparked a massive war of words in India. Unpardonable and unacceptable, and every single day there's a new insult of our Jawans, of our forces, and the Congress continues to give a clean chit to Pakistan. Once again, martyrs were mocked, forces insulted, and the blame for the Pulwama attack was put on India by some Congress leaders. We're talking about Congress Faridabad candidate who has insulted our forces. First, it was Charanjit Singh Channi. Then you heard the Punjab Congress President, Mr. Amrinder Vading, saying that Pulwama was stage managed, that the BJP does something like this every time the election nears. And now it's Congress's Faridabad candidate who has insulted the martyrdom of our braves.
पुलवामा वो भी आज झूठ साबित हो गया। उन्हीं के गवर्नर ने कह दिया सतपाल मलिक ने कि भाई मैंने तो कहा था, मोदी जी ने कहा चुप रहिए, हमारा काम है जो कर रहे हैं। ये खेल खेल रहा था, एक छद्म राष्ट्रवाद का एक वातावरण देश में क्रिएट करना था। हमारी जनता भोली भाली है, बह गई हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान, मार दिए ये हो गए, हम भेजने वाले लोग हैं। अरे ये तो वो था जब इंदिरा गांधी ने दो देश बढ़ा दिए, वो था एक विजय का। ये क्या हो गया? बम फेंक दिया खाली जगह में, वो यहाँ फेंके, आज भी कोई ना मरा। ये सारे ड्रामे थे। दूसरा जुमला वो भी चल गया, तीसरा जुमला चलाने की फिर कोशिश की है, वो भी नहीं चला। चारों धर्माचार्यों ने, जो देश की सबसे बड़ी पीठ है शंकराचार्य, जो आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य ने स्थापित की थी, 12 वर्ष की उम्र में।
Pradeep Dutta is joining us on the broadcast. It's insulting for our forces, insulting for the martyrs and their family members as well, when these leaders, in the name of addressing, political rallies and seeking votes, stoop to such a level. Now, this individual, the Congress Faridabad candidate, is not just casting aspersion on the Pulwama attack, but also saying, खाली जगह पर बम गिरा दिया. So he's also mocking the retaliatory action taken by our defense force.
We are not surprised with the shocking comment coming from the Congress leader. They had been doing it from day one, because they are the same people who called the surgical strike when after Uri attack, Indian troops were able to cross line of control and they were able to target many of those launch pads there. And after Pulwama bombing also, when Indian troops went inside, the Air Force was able to penetrate deep inside and decimate Jaish-e-Mohammed headquarters. That time they started asking for the proof. And it seems that mocking our martyrs and demonizing our forces has become a part of the Congress party's DNA. You rightly said the Charanjit Singh Channi, then Punjab Congress chief, and now this Mahendra Pratap Singh, a Faridabad candidate. He's also trying to cast aspersion. One person called it a political stunt, others saying that they were deliberately doing it to garner votes. I think because they are far away from the reality, because they don't have an idea. It is very easy giving such statement, but by doing so, they're only rubbing salt on the wounds of all those family members of martyrs who lost their near and dear ones. Because everybody knows that by doing so, they are not doing anything good for the country, but they are only trying to absolve Pakistan and Pak proxies of the sin being committed by them. One, they're continuing with appeasement politics. They're trying to appease one particular section of the vote bank. Second, they're by shifting a blame on the other, and they are doing a disservice to the country. See, they're trying to give clean chit to the Pakistan and Pak proxies and all those terror-related elements, whether it's Lashkar-e-Toiba or whether it is Jaish-e-Mohammed. And D, they are discrediting valor, discrediting martyrdom of our soldiers who stand like a rock, take bullets on their body. They're the same people who, after 26/11, they call it a conspiracy by the RSS. So I think this is really shocking, and one is going to respond by pressing the button, because people very well understand who is really speaking for the country. I think I have not to speak much in this regard, because people understand what actually, because they are going to answer to all their questions and the queries that they are deliberately trying to raise to appease one particular section. But I think
absolutely.